How would you love to look your best in all photos, not just the professional ones? Hi, I'm Val Lau, corporate headshot and branding photographers based in Sydney. If you're like most business owners, you have a lot of business meetings, conferences and functions where you take a photo at the end. Now, even if you don't like having photos taken, it's very hard to decline on these occasions. What if instead of worrying about looking bad, you had the tools to always look your best at a moment's notice? Today's tip is on how to hold your head. There's a tendency for people to stand up straight for the camera and hold their head back like this. You get instant extra chins. You can find the thinnest person in the world, and if you stand them like that, they're going to have the extra chins. Instead, keep your head forward and get your jawline back. You can even move forward a little bit and stretch this area out. If you're looking at the camera, it won't be noticeable. You'll suddenly find all your photographs a lot more pleasing. So remember, don't hold your head back, hold it forward. Get rid of those extra chins and you'll look great in any photograph.